Marco Asensio has been making headlines this season, proving himself as one of the most valuable players in European football. Currently on loan from Paris Saint-Germain (PSG) to Aston Villa, the Spanish international has been nothing short of sensational, scoring 8 goals in just a handful of matches. His performances have not only impressed fans and pundits but have also sparked significant debate about his true market value. PSG manager Luis Enrique recently weighed in on the matter, suggesting that Asensio's worth far exceeds the £65 million Aston Villa manager Unai Emery is reportedly proposing for a permanent transfer. A remarkable start to life at Villa Park. Asensio's impact at Aston Villa has been immediate and undeniable. The attacking midfielder has quickly adapted to Unai Emery's system, showcasing his exceptional technical ability, vision, and clinical finishing. His tally of 8 goals in a short space of time highlights his knack for delivering in crucial moments, making him a key figure in Villa's recent successes. Emery, who clearly values Asensio's contributions, is pushing for a permanent move, but the proposed fee of £65 million has sparked resistance from PSG. Luis Enrique's stance: he's worth more than £65 million. PSG manager Luis Enrique has been outspoken about his belief in Asensio's value. Speaking to the media, Enrique emphasized the Spaniard's potential and proven abilities. Given that Asensio has great potential and has proven himself with 8 goals in just a few matches, we believe he is worth more than £65 million for a permanent deal, Enrique stated. The manager's comments reflect PSG's high regard for the player they signed on a free transfer from Real Madrid. It's clear that PSG views Asensio as an asset whose value has skyrocketed due to his stellar performances during his loan spell. Enrique's assertion that Asensio's worth exceeds the proposed fee suggests that PSG will hold firm in negotiations, potentially driving up the price for Aston Villa. The market value debate. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more entertaining news, headlines and highlights concerning Aston Villa. In today's transfer market, £65 million is a significant sum, but it may not fully reflect Asensio's value given his current form and potential. At just 29 years old, Asensio is entering the prime years of his career. His versatility, experience at the highest level, including Champions League wins with Real Madrid, and ability to produce moments of magic make him a highly sought-after player. For Aston Villa, sealing a permanent deal for Asensio at £65 million would represent a major coup. However, PSG's stance suggests that the French club is well aware of the premium value attached to players of Asensio's caliber, particularly in a competitive market where attacking midfielders are in high demand. Unai Emery's perspective. Unai Emery's desire to secure Asensio permanently comes as no surprise. The Spanish coach has transformed Aston Villa into a formidable team, and Asensio's presence has been central to their attacking prowess. The chemistry between Asensio and the rest of the squad has been evident, and Emery likely sees him as a long-term cornerstone of Villa's ambitions to compete at the highest level, both domestically and in Europe. However, Emery knows the complexities of transfer negotiations. While £65 million might seem like a fair offer, PSG's insistence on a higher valuation could force Villa to reconsider their strategy or increase their bid. What lies ahead? The coming weeks will be crucial in determining Asensio's future. Aston Villa must decide whether to meet PSG's demands or risk losing one of their most influential players. Meanwhile, PSG will need to weigh the benefits of keeping Asensio versus cashing in on his current form. Asensio's performances will undoubtedly continue to attract interest from other top clubs, raising the stakes for all parties involved. For now, one thing is clear: Marco Asensio is a player in demand, and his value is only set to rise. Conclusion. Luis Enrique's assertion that Asensio is worth more than £65 million reflects the growing recognition of the player's talent and potential. While Aston Villa may hope to secure him for a reasonable fee, PSG's position suggests that any deal will require a significant investment. Asensio's future remains uncertain, but one thing is undeniable: his exceptional performances this season have proven that he is a player worth every penny and perhaps even more. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more entertaining news, headlines and highlights concerning Aston Villa.